Hello and welcome to a new video. عسلامة مرحبا في فيديو جديد. In this video we'll talk about or we'll learn about a complex sentence. Alright, so for example, if you want to say I know the man who works at the bank. So in order to say that, so first of all we need a keyword. Like our keyword is illi, which has several meanings such as that, who, etc. So in this sentence, we have I know, which is نعرف, and then I know the man, so نعرف الرجل, who, which will be اللي, so نعرف الرجل اللي, who works, so in this case works refers to the man, of course, therefore we need to say يخدم. So far we said نعرف الرجل اللي يخدم في البنكة, in the bank or at the bank. So therefore the whole sentence will be نعرف الرجل اللي يخدم في البنكة. So in order to build a complex sentence, we always need اللي. Like for example, قريت الكتاب اللي شريته أمس. قريت الكتاب اللي شريته أمس. So قريت means I read. الكتاب, the book. اللي, that. شريته, like it's شريت plus u, which means I bought it literally. أمس means yesterday. So قريت الكتاب اللي شريته أمس means I read the book I bought yesterday. If you are enjoying this series, don't forget to hit like and subscribe in order to get updated about all new videos regarding Tunisian Arabic, and I'll see you in the next video. Bislama.